Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a basic skincare routine that will help you achieve good-looking and glowing skin. Whether you're new to skincare or just looking to simplify your routine, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. It's essential to start with a clean canvas. Choose a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Wet your face with lukewarm water, apply the cleanser, and gently massage it into your skin for about 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a clean towel. Cleansing helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Remember to cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Next up is toning. A toner helps to balance your skin's pH levels and remove any remaining traces of dirt or makeup. Pour a small amount of toner onto a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face. Look for a toner with soothing ingredients like witch hazel or rose water. Toning also helps to tighten your pores and prepare your skin for the next steps in your routine. 3. Moisturizing. Moisturizing is a crucial step to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Choose a moisturizer that matches your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Apply a small amount to your face and neck, gently massaging it in using upward motions. Moisturizing helps to lock in moisture, prevent dryness, and keep your skin looking plump and radiant. 4. Sunscreen. One of the most important steps in your skincare routine is applying sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it generously to your face and neck every morning, even on cloudy days. Don't forget to reapply every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. 5. Optional exfoliating. Exfoliating is an optional step that can be done once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Choose a gentle exfoliator and use it after cleansing. Massage it onto your damp skin in circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. Exfoliating helps to keep your skin smooth, bright, and free from clogged pores. And there you have it, a simple and effective skincare routine for glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine, be patient, and you'll start to see amazing results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.